We're a consortium within the Better Factory initiative that brings together PLAST-FARB's manufacturing expertise as a major producer of security envelopes within Europe, alongside ANTAC's technical innovation, and my work as an artist.
I'm Tomasz Urbanowicz and I'm leading vision at PLAST-FARB.
Hi, my name is Rafał Pagnal and I'm the CEO of ANTAC Company.
Hi, I'm David Rickard, a New Zealand artist based in London, UK, and I'm collaborating on the development of the SmartEnvelope product and testing its potential through art. Our challenge has been to bridge the physical and the digital realms of postal products with a new digitally connected envelope, whilst also improving the environmental impact of the postal envelope industry, which is vast when you consider the millions of envelopes that are sent each and every day. So the SmartEnvelope is not only digitally intelligent but also environmentally. It transforms the current throwaway culture of envelopes by turning inside out, literally, the reality of a single-use item and giving it a second life. We've tackled the challenge of integration, ensuring that the digital and the physical elements in the SmartEnvelope complement each other seamlessly, and that's through the inclusion of individually connected QR codes to each and every envelope. And these are connected to a bespoke database that allows for customer-friendly flexibility in terms of what information is connected to each envelope. So through a series of prototypes, we've developed a new innovative product that we're super excited to see enter the postal marketplace.